Hello friends, this is me Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing PIEU's green tea milk sheet mask. It looks like a milk carton. It claims that drench skin's thirst with this milk sheet mask which helps hydrate and nourish with green tea extracts. Available in 7 flavors, this sheet mask includes milk extract, green tea extract, witch hazel extract and hyaluronic acid. Instructions are in Korean only, so let's try it. This mask is fully packed with essence. It has special air pocket in sheet mask to retain moisture. The essence looks exactly like milk or a lotion. The mask is fit for big faces as well. Once the mask is set, it doesn't slide down, which I love about this mask. There is so much essence in it that I'm going to apply it on the rest of my body. The texture is like a light lotion that smells like milk. The mask did not move throughout, it's still wet with essence. I have dry and sensitive skin and it wasn't irritated by it. In fact, my skin feels brightened. Now I'm going to dab the essence into my skin by rolling the sheet mask. My skin feels moisturized and hydrated and dewy as well. Now look how much essence is still left in the sheet mask. Oh my god. I'm applying the essence everywhere so it's not wasted, and now my face has white marks of the essence that feels like I plunged into a milk pool. Overall, I like the mask. The next day my face looked brightened and hydrated. I will rate it 5 by 5. This is me Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.